Welcome to the video tutorial for Notaries Public on how to add your information to the Find a Notary database found on the North Carolina Secretary of State's website. We recently sent a survey out to the more than 150,000 notaries around the state asking you for feedback on how we can help you perform your notarial duties more effectively. We thank you for your participation. One response that caught our attention was the number of notaries who said they were not aware that there was a statewide database of notaries on the website, and they didn't know they could add their name to the database to be found by people who are in need of services. Well, we heard you, and we are happy to help those of you who are interested in adding your information to the database. That's what we're going to do today. In this short video, we will show you the step-by-step instructions on how to add your name and information to the Find a Notary database. First, log on to the North Carolina Secretary of State's website at www.sosnc.gov. Click on the Find a Notary link in the Notary category under the Divisions tab. Click on the link Current Notaries Register for Find a Notary. Now you will need to set up your account. You do so by typing in your notary number and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Your notary number can be found on your oath sheet or by using the Find Your Notary Number link. You will now be prompted to a new page where you will choose a new password. Once you set up your new password, go back to the Current Notaries Register link under the Find a Notary section. Begin filling them out. If you want to check to make sure your name is listed, click on the Find a Notary link and enter your address. Great. If you have questions about any of these steps or the database itself, feel free to call us at 919-814-5400 or email us at notary@sosnc.gov. That's it. If you have any questions about any of these steps or the database itself, feel free to call us at 919-814-5400 or email notary@sosnc.gov. We look forward to working with you.